And I want to take this time to wish all of you a blessed and prosperous new year. At the beginning of every year, we always find ourselves making resolutions, choices that we want to make to improve ourselves for the coming year. People often say they want to go to church, they want to go to the gym, and they want to eat healthy. Well, today I'll help you with one of those resolutions. We'll be making a healthy and nutritious snack, great for persons who are diabetic, pre-diabetic, or if you just want to eat healthy. We'll be making peanut butter oatmeal cookies. We'll be using no sugar, no flour. Let's go over the ingredients. We have half cup of oat flour. Now, if you don't have oat flour, you just need to get regular oats, put it in your food processor, grind it fine till you get oat flour. 1 egg, I'm using a brown egg, but if you have a white egg, that's okay. 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 cup of peanut butter. This recipe is really easy, so we're gonna crack our egg into a large bowl. Then we'll add our honey, all of it. Then we'll add the peanut butter. We'll whisk it. Then we'll finally add our oat flour. Make sure the oats and the peanut butter are fully combined. We're going to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees because we are almost ready to put them into the oven. We're going to put them on a baking tray now. Then we'll put them in the oven. Now it's time to form our cookies. So we're going to try to get them as uniform as possible. Form a nice ball. Roll them around, and then we're going to put them on the baking tray. Once they are all the same size, they will cook at the same rate. You want them to be nice and even, but we don't want them to be too high because the oat flour is a little dense and it will take a little longer to cook. It should take about 20 to 25 minutes and then it's done. Alright, so let me just do that fast. Our last one, so we would have been able to get 12 cookies, and we want to have our cookies nice and flat. So I'm going to take a fork and flatten the cookies out. Then we're going to put them into the oven. Never stop to get it if I want. Our peanut butter oatmeal cookies are done. They look delicious. You're seeing the lovely specks from the oat flour that we used. And because the peanut butter is brown, primarily they will be brown or dark. Now, let's taste. I think I'll go for this one here. It's still a little warm, but I think we can taste it. It's not too thin and it's not too thick. Let's try. So crunchy. If you love peanut butter, you will absolutely love this snack. So good. Healthy, delicious. Like I said before, it's great for persons who are diabetic, pre-diabetic, or if you just want to eat healthy. For me, the sweetness level is not as high as I am accustomed to it because I do have a sweet tooth. So when serving this, I would serve it with some kind of sweet fruit like dates or raisins or so that I can have it because it almost tastes like a granola bar cookie. I don't know if there's such a thing, but this tastes like granola bar in a cookie. Peanut butter oatmeal cookie. Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this cookie recipe, I want you to look over here. I see some of my other cookie recipes, and once you've watched them all, just click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you. Happy New Year, everyone!